Well, the training has been very practical in its approaches, and the suite of facilitators that have been utilized are very knowledgeable, and they were able to contextualize a lot of the things being discussed. So in terms of policy formulation, one really garnered an understanding of what to do and importantly how to monitor policies once they have been proposed to government or within the organizations from which they're representing. Again, that practical approach that was utilized by CVC was very well appreciated because it gave you an opportunity to apply the learning and the theoreticals that have been taught throughout the training. The group that I was a part of focused on positive MSM and issues of confidentiality that they face within public health facilities. In terms of what stood out, and understanding of the issues faced by MSM, it was very much an eye-opener because from my desk, it's very much desk review and report writing and so on. So to be out in the field and interacting with the target population that we serve, it was appreciated. And again, to do a research from a qualitative perspective, it really gave us insight into the experiences of MSM. It gave us insight from the healthcare workers' perspective in terms of what they deemed as issues and how some of those issues overlapped and how you had some difference in the views from the healthcare workers as well as the MSM. There were a few challenges with the practicum being implemented, namely time constraints and conflicting work schedules were presented for some of the participants. In terms of how we mitigated some of those challenges, you found that some group members had to do a little bit more than others, but in the end it's working out and we continue to pursue, and it is hoped that this second round of training would have re-energized some of the participants to ensure that persons are now fully engaged and appreciate the process going forward. Coming out of the training, one again really appreciated the importance of integrating it more into the work that we're doing. For example, a lot of activities from NGOs would have been very project driven in what is being done. So one really get an understanding now of how we can look at policy development in our everyday work, how we can do things now such as position paper, in activities that we're already implementing. So I would tell a prospective participant to participate again for the reason that I outlined earlier. It's very practical in its approach, it's very knowledge driven, and again the facilitators that were utilized, they gave much insight, and I really appreciated the mix of the groups that were involved in the process. So all of those positives, are reasons for participants